Hi guys, how have you all been? Welcome back to VWork. It's been so very long since I uploaded a video here on YouTube and I thought आज finally मुझे time मिला है तो क्यों नहीं करते हैं. And in the meantime I also wanted to update you guys on where I have been, what I've been up to and what's been happening. So those of you who do not follow me on Instagram, you should, because I announce a lot of surprises there. One of them being that I just launched my podcast. VWork is now available for all of you guys to hear on Apple Music, on Spotify and on SoundCloud. Hi guys, how have you all been? It's been so very long since I have seen you guys, or you guys have seen me actually here on YouTube. But I thought because बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया है and इतनी सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, I should update you guys. So before I begin to tell you what is going to be happening with VWork, I want to tell you this new thing that has happened, which is the VWork podcast. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, because there I announce a lot of surprises and one of them was my podcast. So which is now available on Spotify, Apple Music and SoundCloud and a few other places which I will link down below. But you should definitely hear that out, because that is a space where I talk my heart out to you guys. I talk about my journey, my struggles, my dreams, my aspirations, about how all of us together can become the best versions of ourselves. I have filmed so far, I think 6 episodes, yeah, 6 episodes, and they cover from a range of relationships, breakups, personal life, dealing with anxiety, depression, dealing with desi parents, childhood traumas, your fears, sex, and even workplace negativity. For those of you who don't know, before I started my journey of becoming a life coach, I had quit my job and I decided to follow this. So and I also came out of a really bad relationship. I have also been facing a lot of questions from family asking कि तेको क्या करना है, तेको पता है तू क्या कर रही है, ये रिस्क सही है नहीं है. And for somebody who is in her late 20s, I feel I have more pressure on my head than anybody else who would be in their early 20s to get married, to start my life, to figure out where I'm going and all of that, right? So the reason I took out my I launched my podcast was because so many of you asked me that दी आप कैसे करते हो मैम, आप खुद को प्रेशर नहीं आता क्या, ऐश्वर्या how are you doing this? So I do open up with my clients in our sessions, but because my aim with VWork and with Just Breathe is to create a community of like-minded, self-sufficient and strong-willed individuals, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm no different from you guys, right? मेरे साथ में भी होता है, लॉकडाउन हम पे किसी पे भी आसान नहीं रहा है, काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट रहा है, but I have been more than happy with it because I was able to do 80% of all the tasks that I had lined up for myself in 2018 when I decided to follow my dream, and how I was able to make the best of being at home after so long with my entire family, with my dogs, with working from home, with internet issues, with not being able to step out, with not being able to drive my gypsy, with not being able to meet my boyfriend, with trying to be in a long distance relationship, working that out. It has been a journey, but I'm happy to say that I have been able to squeeze out the best out of it, and how I have transformed and converted all the tips and tricks that I applied in my life for you guys in VWork. So आप लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा था, okay, I don't know what just happened, yeah, camera just moved. So आप लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा था how did you come up with Just Breathe, right? And what is basically Just Breathe? So giving you guys a little history, there was this one time where I was very down and low, and I was very confused. This is again in 2018, the beginning of 2018, when I was trying to figure out कि मुझे क्या करना है. Should I take this leap? Should I go ahead with my dream? Should I take the risk? Should I give up everything or not? And I was just very low. And मेरे दिमाग में मेरे parents, मेरे relatives, मेरे siblings, सबके voices were echoing in my head saying कि तू कर पाएगी नहीं क्या? And all the hate comments, you're a failure, what do you think, you can't do this, you can't do that, shit that my ex had said, and बहुत सारी चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में आ रही थी, and I was starting to doubt myself. And I was like, I was so tired, I was done crying, and I was like, and with that sigh of relief, or with that exhale, I was able to let go of all those things, all those tornadoes that were going around in my head, and I felt so weightless and light, and that's when it hit me, and that's when it clicked that this is it. All you have to do is just breathe. We hold on to so much, we try, because हमारे साथ में इतने सारे हमारे लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं, कुछ अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ बुरे होते हैं, हम उनको होल्ड ऑन करने की कोशिश में आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते. And I was having this conversation with my brother earlier, and we were talking about transition phase. So transition phase is when you're moving from something which is not good to a good part of your life, and that is when you have to let go of everything that you know, have known, have been through, and have been told. So this might sound a little complicated, but to make it a little easier, I will say, if you have this jar full of iced tea or a drink that you don't like, how do you get yourself a new drink? You have to let go of that drink. Either you replace the whole glass or you empty it, right? So until and unless you clear and let go of everything that is holding you back, you will not be able to move forward. And that is how I came up with the concept of just breathe. And breathe, the acronym, stands for a 7-step guided process that I would like for all of you to try. You can just log on to bewoke.in and figure out what just breathe in and start your journey. Guys, I'll tell you, and I will swear on this, it is a life transforming journey. It will change your life around. It will not just change your life, it will help you build the life that you want, which is exactly what my dream with BeWoke is. And it is so up close and personal to me, because it is literally me putting my life and my experiences out there for you guys to see and learn and adopt while I'm going through it, But the best part is, when I go through it, I have to go through all the ups and downs, all the things that work, that don't work, but what I put out there is everything that works. And every single thing, all the methods, the rain check method, the aware method, the just love method, the just breathe method, all of them have worked for me. And I'll tell you guys like how it has. When in 2018 I quit my job and I was not sure what I wanted to do, and I had so many dreams, like I wanted to become a life coach, I wanted to start my own company, I wanted to write, I wanted to still practice content writing, creativity, like for in social media and all of that. And I was like, यार अब job छोड़ दी है, कैसे होगा, मैं कैसे करूँगी, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा. I have to move back in with my parents and all of that. And you know what? I came back home in April of 2018, and this is 2020 September. I have been able to start my own company, which is BeWoke, my life coaching company. I am a certified ICF life coach. I have been able to author my first book. I have been able to build a team of creative individuals which amount up to 10 people, which are videographers, photographers, content writers, people who know about Google AdWords, SEO management. I have a team not just in one city but in 3 cities, and I have been able to bring my parents to almost the same page that I am with what I want to do. Obviously they worry for me, so उनके में बहुत सारे questions होते हैं, and they're like, to be careful with what you do, but they understand. Finally, after 10 years of me trying to figure out and trying to do what I want, I have been able to do that. So this has worked. And आपके सामने live example है. I, as I mentioned before, I talk about my struggles as well, so that you guys don't feel that, you know, you guys are alone, and all of us are in this together. You can listen to my podcast and take a deep dive into all the things that I have been through, what I am going through, and how I am dealing with that. Right? So I made this vlog. It is a vlog. It's not like a video because I am talking heart to heart to you guys, and I am trying to tell you that honestly, आप अकेले नहीं हो. अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप भी कर सकते हो यार. मुझे मालूम है बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है जब आपको लगता है पूरी दुनिया आपके अगेंस्ट है, कोई आपका साथ नहीं दे रहा. कभी कभी नहीं समझ पाते फैमिली, कभी कभी पेरेंट्स भी आप पे हार्श हो जाते हैं. बट अगर आप वो स्ट्रेंथ खुद में ढूंढ सकते हो ना, वो कॉन्फिडेंस खुद में ढूंढ सकते हो, खुद को एक्सेप्ट करने का, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. And to be very honest, you know, I don't evaluate success with terms of likes, followers, subscribers, or bank balance. For me, success is me being closer to my dream. There is this formula that I also adapted into my life, and this, you know, I came up with this when I was sitting with my dad, and my dad was telling me, you know, तूने क्या सोचा है? You need to have some sort of financial backing. You know, your parents are not going to be with you for all your life. You have to figure something out. You have to pull up your socks, right? And my dad was right. I have to, like, you know, I always can't be like, job छोड़ के ये नहीं हुआ तो ये कुछ और कर लो, भी वो नहीं हुआ तो अब मैं क्या करूँ. I have to have a foolproof plan, right? But until and unless I give my dreams a shot, I don't think I can do anything else with as much dedication as I would like, right? So I told him that if I am passionate about something, I will be willing to put in X amount of hard work into it, and if I put in my hard work, it is going to be followed by success, and money follows success. And he's like, that is actually right, because he is a self-made man, and he started when he was obviously around the same age as me, and I have seen him grow. So obviously he didn't want, you know, I should go through the same struggles, but when he heard me say this, he was really more proud than I have ever seen him of me, and he backed me up. Which brings me back to what I was saying. If you're passionate about something, be more than willing to put in the hard work for it. And when you do put in the hard work, success is bound to come, and money always follows success, right? You have examples of so many influencers जिसको हम देखते हैं आज, सबने from ground zero start किया था. आप भी कर सकते हो, मैंने भी किया. And I might not be, you know, in quotes, as successful, or I might not have that big a social media presence as them, but मेरे लिए वो important नहीं है, वो मेरा गोल नहीं है. मेरा गोल है एक कम्युनिटी क्रिएट करना, जहाँ पे हम उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं जिनके बारे में हम बात नहीं करते हैं. बहुत आसान होता है होम टूर्स, मेकअप लुक्स, हॉल्स देखना, एंड विश करना कि, यू नो, आई कैन ऑल्सो गो टू ज़ारा और H&M एंड बाय ऑल ऑफ दिस. बट ये सब सर्फेस लेवल की चीज़ें. जो रियल चीज़ें हैं ना, वो यहाँ की और यहाँ की होती है. हाउ डू यू मेक योर लाइफ बेटर? कोई काम के नहीं है वो कपड़े अगर आप अच्छे फील नहीं कर रहे हो. कोई काम का नहीं है वो मेकअप इफ़ यू नॉट फीलिंग मेंटली ओके, राइट? सो योर मेंटल हेल्थ, योर इमोशनल हेल्थ, all that is very 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 important. And this is exactly what I want you guys to know, that Vivo is a place, a platform, and a medium where all of us can come together and create a community of leaders who are so strong in their minds, who love themselves, who have overcome all of their struggles, who have turned the negatives into the positives, and are building the life of their dreams, right? I hope that this video makes you realize how close we all of us are, and how just talking our hearts out can actually take us closer to where we want. एंड इन चीज़ों को छुपाने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. हम सब उन चीज़ों के थ्रू जा रहे हैं. हम सबकी अलग अलग जर्नी है. पेन वही है, इफेक्ट्स कुछ और हैं. बट बात करते हैं, कनेक्ट करते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं और एक दूसरे को अकेला नहीं छोड़ते हैं. राइट? और आपको पता है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? लेट्स ऑल ऑफ अस just breathe. Right, guys? I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully very very soon. But in the meantime, follow me on Instagram so you know what I'm up to, what are my new episodes on my podcast, and give them a listen. I would be more than happy to know what you guys have to say and what is it that you guys want me to talk about next. Till then, bye guys.